So ngayon naglalakad na kami snow. Ayun na. Ito yung lakaran namin na part 2.
Fire the hole!
Fire the hole! Fire the hole daw! Ayan si Jules. Punta kami ng Mount Everest. So medyo malayo pa. Nasa paanan pa lang kami. Mount Everest kami ngayon. Okay?
Yo, I can't tell you what it really is. I can only tell you what it feel like. And right now, there's a steel knife on the twin pipes. I can bleed, but I still fight while I can fight. Barong darong, right? It's like a team flight. I have my love drop on my head. It's like a happy feet.
Yeah.
I love it more supper. I duplicate.
Advance kami ng 30 minutes naglakad. Kasi may maglakad eh. So, yung mga step namin. Peace. Peace with you, guys.
Hindi ba sisira yan ba?
Hindi. Original kaya tong iPad touch ko.
Hindi, syempre.
Made in Canada. Made in Canada.
Hindi waterproof yan, no?
Hindi, ano to? Snowproof. Ito waterproof. Snowproof tong iPad touch. Ito yung bagong labas ng iPad touch na 4G. So this is snowproof. Oo.
Waterproof na.
Pag natunaw, hindi pwede. No? Melted na. So snowproof to. Okay. Malayo. Lamig. Okay, see you next time guys. Sa huling next season na naman tayo sa springtime. And summertime, fall time, and snow time. Season, winter's time. Okay, bye-bye. See you. Good night. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Joe.
Sayonara.
Arigato. Bye-bye.
Au revoir, monsieur. Au revoir, mademoiselle.
Kono tamago.
Como talaga?
Mentai sai. Cincin tabirune.